Hey, my name is Josh Rowell. I'm here in our Winston-Salem, North Carolina showroom today to take you through our easy three-step design process to create your dream outdoor kitchen. First step in designing your dream outdoor kitchen is just to come in store. We've got multiple displays for you to see here. You can actually touch and see finishes, get design options. And during that appointment, feel free to bring us a napkin sketch or just rough measurements so we can get started. So once we have accurate measurements and overall idea of the kitchen we're wanting to create, we'll sit down with you in store and design your outdoor kitchen in real time with you. You'll see a 3D rendering of what your kitchen will look like, and we'll make final decisions such as finish selections, countertop selections. We'll also at that time take into consideration any things you might have like access to electrical, access to gas plumbing, or any things you might need like vent hoods or sink drains. Typically takes about 4 to 6 weeks for your outdoor kitchen to arrive, and then we'll schedule an on-site delivery with you. Our delivery team is full white glove. We assemble, we install all the components, all the outdoor kitchen cabinetry. There's no contractors, there's no torn up yards. We haul away all the product and you're left with your beautiful outdoor kitchen to use that very same day. So if you're ready to get started on your dream outdoor kitchen, feel free to come in store, start the process there, or go ahead and click the button and schedule an in-home design consultation and measurement.